Ever wondered if that handy Mastercard gift card can unlock the latest Apple gear? You're in the right place. First, head over to the Apple online store website. You can access it by typing Apple.com into your preferred web browser. Once you've found that perfect iPhone, Mac, or accessory, add it to your bag. You'll see your shopping bag icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to review your items. Now, proceed to checkout. This will take you through the payment and shipping details. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option to add a new payment method. You'll likely see choices like credit card, debit card, or a generic card option. Select the most appropriate one. Now, carefully enter your Mastercard gift card number, just as it appears on the front of the card. Next, input the expiration date. You'll also need to enter the security code, usually a 3 or 4-digit number found on the back of your card, typically near the signature strip. For the name on card field, if your gift card doesn't have a specific name, you can often enter gift card or the name of the card issuer. Check the back of your card for any specific instructions. Next, fill in your shipping address accurately. Make sure this is where you want your Apple purchase to be delivered. For your billing address, you can often use your shipping address if it's the same, or enter a separate billing address if required by the card issuer. Review your order one last time. Ensure all details are correct, including the items, shipping, and your Mastercard gift card as the payment method. Once you're happy, click to complete your purchase. Your Mastercard gift card should now be successfully used on the Apple Store. Enjoy your new Apple goodies, all thanks to your versatile Mastercard gift card.